Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Garmin is a Fortune 500 company within the scientific and technical instruments industry. The stock price has performed as the S&P 500 over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 8.2%, thumbs up. Earnings growth, 16.7%, thumbs up. Earnings estimates, 7.83%, thumbs down. Return on capital, 18.05%, thumbs up. Debt to free cash flow, no debt, thumbs up. Share buybacks, no, thumbs down. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.17%, thumbs up. Payout ratio, 44.67%, thumbs up. Growth rate, 5.13%, thumbs up. Growth years, 1 year, thumbs down. 7 out of 10 thumbs up. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look on Garmin for your dividend portfolio. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.